Welcome back, guys. Now we're going to discuss about for loop. So how for loop works, like, let's say I have a set of values, like let me take the list of values. I'll say marks. I'll take a list of values. I got in English 95, in science 70, Hindi 98, mathematics 100, and social 60. I'm poor student in social. Okay, so these are the marks which we got, and now I want to apply the for loop. For let's say if you recall Java, there we write like initialization, declaration, and condition, right? And like there, here we use like take a variable I in marks. Basically, we are, so here I am taking the variable and which is looking into this marks list. So it will gonna iterate each and every value. At 0th index it will comes to I and it will print there, and the first index likewise it will iterate each and every value in the list. So for I in marks I'm gonna print I. Let's run. See, 95, 17, 98, 100 and 60 is printed in the console. So what if I want to add each and, so let's, okay, leave about this. I do not have any, let's assume that I do not have any list and I want to take a set of range that is possible in Python, like for I, let's say I1 this time, in a range of, if I want to give the set of values like 10 to 100, I want to print all the values from 10 to 100. Print I1. So you can see the big list is printed from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 up to 99, right? So what I do, instead I want to increment each time 10. So you can give one more value so that it will increment like each and every 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90, right? So it's incrementing each time 10, 10 value. So that's how for loop gonna work. And let's wrap up with one more example. So I do not want to print the value directly 10, 20, 30 likewise. Instead, what I'll multiply that with 5 so that it can perform the mathematical operation. So you can see, right? It's 10 5 is 50 and 25 is 100. Likewise, it is printed until 450. That's how for loop works. Let's look into while loop in next lecture. Thank you.